So in Arduino, blah, 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 updated. Homework is to get the LED to blink 3 times from 10 centimeters or higher. I did the force and then the code. In the code, we've got starting it. We want the different values for the X, Y, and Z. Then we want the different values for the maxes. And then we want kind of the sum of the X, Y, and Z as one number. After it's started, program sets up the function to run one time. This is the setup. Got the fill screen black, set cursor to that point. Then we're going to be having Excel test on there, X, Y, and Z, and then the maxes. Then we get into if the acceleration is greater than the max becomes the acceleration, and that's for the X, Y, and Z. Set the cursor and print out this information. This calls out max X, max Y, max Z. This is something that is not applicable yet. We'll be going over this Wednesday, but the idea is to be able to press that button, the M5 button, and have it reset the values to 0. Then we get into float of the X, Y, Z. Then we want to take the square root of the acceleration X, square root acceleration Y, square root acceleration Z. We want to take the square root of all of the different forces and the different vectors to come up with a float of ACCVEC. If this number is greater than the max, then this number will become the max. Then we get into the lighting information. Define the LED built-in 10, pin mode, LED built-in output. If the max acceleration vector is greater than 2.5, which I found by dropping it from 10 centimeters, then we want to do a digital write of high, low, for half a second, indefinitely. That concludes the program. So, fire up the M5 here. Got acceleration test, X, Y, and Z. Then we got the maxes, X, Y, Z. And then we have the number that we really want, which is the max acceleration. In this case, it's 1.43. A quick out and back. Max acceleration exceeded the 2.25 threshold, so now we've got a blinking LED indicating that the acceleration has been, it's too much, and so that's the information that we're looking for, is this blinking LED.